Hi friends, welcome to Model Maths Naira Sir YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe my channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss the intermediate first year mathematics 1A 6th chapter trigonometric ratios up to their transformations part 5. In previous 4 parts we have discussed very short questions and introductions, means 24 very short questions are completed. Already I told you from this chapter we have two 2 marks questions, one 4 marks question, one 7 marks question. Completely we have 15 marks, and moreover this chapter is very most important because of if you we can, this is the first level in intermediate, we can understand all the basics and formulas. If you know the basics formulas, then we can easily solve next to trigonometric equations, inverse, hyperbolic functions, so on etc. problems. Okay, so in this video formulas we should learn. So first formula, because of not only problem solving, formulas also we are learning in the new way. That's why we first give more priority to by heart the formulas. Okay, now I will tell you how to by heart also. First one, sin of a plus b is equal sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay, sin of a plus b. Okay, now don't write sin of a plus b equals sin a plus sin b. That is 100% wrong. So what is right? Sin of a plus b is equal sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay, next you can note down sin of a minus b is equal sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay, for both sin of a plus b, sin of a minus b, for sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, and for minus comes sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay, and remaining cos and cos of a plus b formula is little bit change. So plus is there, we are getting minus, and terms also first cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, and cos of a minus b formula cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Okay, now observe here, if you follow orderly, plus minus minus plus, okay, middle two formulas negatives and first and last formula positives. So for cos of a plus b, we get cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos of a minus b, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So these are the four important formulas. And morely next in terms of tan of a plus b is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Similarly, tan of a minus b is tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b. Okay, so little bit change. If plus is there, we got plus. Minus is there, we got minus. Okay, the denominator is change. Next, cot of a plus b, cot of a minus b. These two formulas quite opposite to tan formulas. See, tan of a plus b is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan b. But cot of a plus b, cot b plus cot a. Denominator and numerator is cot b into cot a minus 1. Okay, now here we start with tan a, but here we end with cot a. Okay, next cot of a minus b formula, cot b into cot a plus 1 by cot b minus cot a. However, we should learn the formulas. Okay, these are the very important formulas. Next, based on tan of a plus b, means tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b, we can write tan of 45 plus theta formula. Why I am giving especially means specific, it is mostly used in the problem solving. That's why we should remember. So we can apply this formula for this tan of a plus b. So tan a plus tan b means we get tan pi by 4 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan a tan b, means 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. So what is tan pi by 4 value? Pi by 4 means 45 degrees. So tan 45 value 1. Very good. So 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta we get. This is the formula of tan of 45 plus theta formula. So which is mostly useful formula. Okay, this is also we should remember. See here, many formulas are there in the trigonometry, but each and every formula link with the previous formulas, starting formulas. Means if you know few formulas, we can increase the more formulas. So how can we increase? For example, here two formulas we know. Okay na? One is sin of a plus b formula, that is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Next to sin of a minus b formula is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So based on these two formulas, we can write two more formulas. Sorry, two more formulas we can write. Okay now, how? Add these two formulas, add these two. In the left hand side, if you add, you will get sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Okay, sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Okay, I'm adding these two first suppose. Then what will be? These two will be cancelled. Am I right? Same terms, plus or minus cancelled, and same terms are repeated. So we get this same terms 2 times repeated, so becomes 2 sin a cos b. So we can write one more formula, that is sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b is equal to 2 sin a cos b. Okay, if you subtract, do 1 minus 2, first one minus second one, so we get sin of a plus b minus sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b is equal, see, do minus, it becomes minus, it becomes plus. So plus and minus cancel, both are positives. So 2 cos a sin b remain. So we formed two formulas. So like that, if you add these two, you will get two formulas. If you subtract 1 and 2, you will get another two formulas. Okay na? You can find it. So cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is equal, adding these two. So these two are same terms, so we can vanish. So cos a cos b, cos a cos b. So totally we get 2 cos a cos b. And similarly do minus means negative. These are the positive terms, these are the negative terms. So do cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b, means last minus third one. Cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. So which is equal, means fourth minus third I am doing. This is plus, it becomes minus, so cancel. This is plus, this becomes plus. So 2 sin a sin b we are getting. 2 sin a sin b. So in this way we can write and more formulas. And moreover we can again increase based on these two formulas or these two formulas, or first one and third one give more priority. Based on first one and third one we can write and some more formulas. Let us see. Okay, so dear friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more videos. Even you have any doubts, you can put in comment box. I will try to give reply. Okay, just I'm removing this. Please note down same all formulas. And next and more 4 formulas in second bit. First formula, sin c plus sin d is equal to what? Sin c minus sin d is equal to what? Okay, these are also, each formula is important. You are in the starting stage, that's why. Then before learning, LKG students, UKG students, how to learn alphabet like A, B, C, D every day, how to learn. Then after learning slowly, they will able to read words. Then after they are able to read sentences. Like that, if you learn the formulas basics slowly one by one, then later you can easily solve the problems. Otherwise trigonometry will be difficult. That's why I am saying. Okay, so here also I'll tell you how to remember the formulas. And 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos, sorry, sin c minus d by 2. Okay, now only we just have 4 formulas here. After that we can enter into the problems. Cos c plus cos d formula, next to cos c minus cos d formula. Okay, in the problems also I will tell you how to use these formulas and how to remember also. I will tell you. For this cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 and minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. See, I think already you observed in every case c plus d by 2, c minus d by 2, c plus d by 2, c minus d by 2, c plus d by 2, c minus d by 2, c plus d by 2, c minus d by 2 is common. Am I right? Yes. And in every formula 2, 2, 2, 2 is common. Yes? Yes, very good. So then See, sine cos, cos sine, cos cos, sine sine. Okay, you can apply these formulas also here. You can apply these formulas also here. See, 2 sin A cos B, 2 sin cos A means C plus D by 2, B means C minus D by 2. 2 cos A sin B, 2 cos A sin B, 2 cos A cos B, 2 cos A cos B, 2 sin A sin B. But here we get minus 2 sin A sin B. Okay, na? Why minus means here also if you do cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B, if you do, you will get minus 2 sin A sin B. Okay, na? Formulas we can write in any way, but whether it is right or wrong, that is important. Is it clear? 4 formulas: sin C plus sin D, 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. You have to pronounce, okay na? You have to read again and again, okay na? One by one. And after learning 4 formulas, we should create a process. In which way if I practice, in which way if I by heart, then how to remember, that is depend on you. So according to your mind, according to your mindset, you can make the formulas to remember in better way. So which is better way means, most probably I will give you one suggestion. Just read sin C plus sin D. Okay now, 2 sin cos. For next formula, 2 cos sin. Okay. Next cos C plus cos D. Cos cos, cos C minus cos D. Sin sin. Okay. Sin cos, cos sin, cos cos, sin sin. Okay. These are the formulas. Okay now, for this formula, tan of 45 means 5 by 4 plus theta also. 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. We should remember this also. We have many times it will be repeated in the problem solving. Okay. Next, sin 2 theta formula. Okay na? What is sin 2 theta formula? We just have only few formulas. Later then we can enter into the problems. Okay na? Most probably in this trigonometry formulas will be completed. These are only trigonometric formulas. What is sin 2 theta formula? Okay na? How can we write? See, for example, we have sin of A plus B formula. What is sin of A plus B formula? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay na? Next, from this formula, use A means theta plus B means also theta. You will get sin theta cos theta plus cos theta sin theta. Means instead of A and B, both taken as theta theta. So theta plus theta becomes 2 theta. Is equal, this is sin theta cos theta, this is also sin theta cos theta. So totally there are 2 sin theta cos thetas. So see, I derived a formula using sin of A plus B formula. I derived sin 2 theta is equal to sin theta cos theta. So what is sin 2 theta formula? 2 sin theta cos theta. That's it. Okay now, from 3 I have taken first formula. That's it. Sin 2 theta formula. 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay now, we should by heart. Next, half angle formulas means from using this formula we can write one more formula. Sin 2 theta. Sorry, sin theta means half angle, means angle taking only half. So in 2 theta half. In 2 theta half means 2 theta by 2 becomes theta. So sin theta. 2 means 2, only do angle becomes half. So half of theta means theta by 2. Half of theta means theta by 2. So if somewhere we can write sin theta is called 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So where it is used. Means in problem solving I will give you technique how to use the formulas also. But we must remember sin 2 theta formula, that is 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay. Is it clear? How can we derive this? By using sin of A plus B only. If you do like this, whenever in free time, automatically you can remember the formulas. If you by heart blindly the formulas, there is a chance to forget or there is a chance to do some mistakes. So without mistakes, without any problems, you just try to derive the formulas in your own way by using one specific, one fixed formula. Okay. Similarly, suppose if we want to cos 2 theta formula, how can we write cos 2 theta formula? Simple. Do you know cos of a plus b formula? Yes, very good. What is that? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. That is cos of a plus b formula. So take theta instead of a and b. So theta plus theta. So becomes cos theta only minus sin theta into sin theta only. So theta plus theta becomes cos 2 theta. Cos into cos, cos square theta minus sin into sin, sin square theta. Yes. Is it easy or not? I derived in front of you what is cos theta formula. Similarly, if you find some formulas one by one using previous formulas, you will get interest on not only mathematics, especially on trigonometry. So, the second formula I am writing cos 2 theta is equal cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay. So, for your convenience, I am writing here. Okay. This is no need to write, that is just for rough work. So from using that formula sin theta we can write 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Then the second formula cos 2 theta. What is cos 2 theta formula? Just now I have derived, that is cos square theta minus sin square theta. So similarly half angle formula cos theta, if you want write for cos theta, then how can we write? Cos square theta by 2. Very good. Tell me. Next, yes, minus sin square theta by 2. Okay, now these two are very, very, very important to remember. Next, tan 2 theta formula. Next, tan 2 theta formula. So you can derive. If you understood, you just pause the video and try to find out the tan 2 theta formula. Then after listen and compare with me. Okay. To write tan 2 theta formula, you first know tan of a plus b formula. So tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. So then tan of theta plus theta is equal becomes what? Tan theta plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta into tan theta. So it becomes tan plus tan. Yes, very good. Theta plus theta. Yes, tan 2 theta. Tan plus tan, 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan into tan, tan square theta. Okay, na? So tan 2 theta formula also we can write 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Okay. Similarly, we can write what is tan theta formula. So half angle 2 theta half theta, theta half theta by 2, theta half theta by 2. So it becomes 2 into tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. Okay, now I'm just leaving this. This is rough work, you can think. Okay, in this way we can derive the formulas. Similarly, if you want to cos 2 theta, cot 2 theta, that also you derive, you will get what you will get in denominator 2 cot theta we get, in numerator cot square theta minus 1 you get. Okay, na? This is not used in mostly we use sin 2 theta formula, cos 2 theta formula, tan 2 theta formula. Okay, na? And moreover sec of a plus b, cosec of a plus b, no need those formulas. And sec 2 theta, cosec 2 theta also no need formulas. These are enough. And in the next category, based on this cos 2 theta, we can find and more 4 formulas. Those are very, very useful in problem solving and especially in long questions. Okay, now this is also useful. And from sin 2 theta, these 2 formulas only, but from using this cos theta formula, we can derive and more 4 formulas. Okay, now. So note down, please note down. If you have any doubts, you can put in comment box, and please subscribe my channel to get more videos. Don't forget to click bell button and also like my videos. Okay. Next, fourth. So trigonometry. Most of the students feel it is a difficult chapter, but intelligence, clevers, you are clevers, I think, so easily you can understand. Okay, based on cos 2 theta formula, that is cos square theta minus sin square theta. I am giving fourth category. Okay, na? Based on this, we can split. So cos 2 theta is equal cos 2 theta is equal cos square theta means what in terms of sin theta. Yes, very good. We have a first identity cos square plus sin square. What is the first identity? Cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Okay, now since or sin square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Plus is there, that's why if you write anyway, that is also no problem. So sin square theta becomes what? 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. So which is equal cos square as this. Sin square means we can write 1 minus cos square theta. So cos square theta minus 1 minus into minus plus cos square theta. So we can write to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So cos 2 theta means 2 cos square theta minus 1 is also a formula. And next, minus 1 bring left side, minus 1 bring left side becomes plus 1. So 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal 2 cos square theta. This is also a formula. See how I am deriving step by step. Okay, now instead of by hearting the formulas blindly, if you derive the formulas in this way, you can remember many years. Okay, now many times, many days you can remember, many days. Next, and also we can derive, if you 2 send left side, it becomes 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 is equal cos square theta. Okay, this is also a formula. So wherever we need 1 plus cos theta by 2 theta is there, instead of this we can write cos square theta, or instead of cos square theta we can write 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. In each and every formula, if 2 cos square theta you observe, instead of 2 cos square you can write 1 plus cos theta, or if 1 plus cos theta you observe, so instead of 1 plus cos theta we can use 2 cos square theta. You just derive and remember the formulas. Okay, now don't try to think how to remember all formulas at a time. At a time all formulas remember is not easy. You just remember few formulas and write on the paper without seeing, and check, compare and check with your formulas wherever you are writing, or you right or wrong, and then verify. Then after read some more formulas. In this way, step by step you have to by heart the formulas. Okay, half angle formulas also we can write. Half angle formulas also we can write. How can we write? Cos theta is equal to cos square theta by 2 minus 1, and here also we can write 1 plus cos theta formula becomes 2 cos square theta by 2. Here also we can write 1 plus cos theta by whole by 2 is equal cos square theta by 2. Okay, na? This is I wrote in terms of cos theta. If I converted the same formula, cos 2 theta formula what? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Suppose cos square theta I'm changing. I'm writing in terms of sin. Means 1 minus sin square theta. Minus sin square theta as it is. Cos square theta means 1 minus sin square theta I wrote using same first identity. Cos square equal sin and 1 minus sin square. So we get 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So cos 2 theta formula also we can write 1 minus 2 sin square theta. And 2 sin square bring left side. 2 sin square theta bring left side. So 1 as it is. Cos 2 theta send right side. 1 minus cos 2 theta. Suppose if you want to write sin square theta. Sine square theta. So it becomes 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So each and every one is a formula. Okay, now if you want half angle formulas, from this cos theta is equal 1 minus 2 sine square theta by 2, and 2 sine square theta by 2 is equal 1 minus cos theta only, and here sine square theta by 2 is equal 1 minus cos theta by 2. Okay, now I just say the formulas, how the formulas are derived by using the starting formulas, basic formulas. Okay, now do this way 2-3 times, you can remember the formulas. Okay, now there is a more chance to confuse if you by heart the formulas directly. Okay, now but you give more priority to starting formulas. Okay, now again I am saying, what is 3 identities you must learn. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal 1, cosecant square theta minus cos square theta equal 1. These 3 identities you must learn. Okay, next what is table? Sin values, cos values, tan values, sec values, cosec values, all values 0 to 90 degrees. Second thing. Next, third thing is sin of a plus b formula. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin of a minus b formula. Cos of a plus b formula. Cos of a minus b formula. Tan of a plus b. Tan of a minus b. These are enough. Next, sin 2 theta formula. 2 sin theta cos theta. Next, cos 2 theta formula. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Whatever these formulas means, remember later, then after. Okay, so now we can enter into the problems. Let us see the problems. And remaining last formulas are simple formulas. Sin 3 theta, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Next, cos 3 theta is equal 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Next, tan theta only is equal cot theta minus 2 cot 2 theta. This used in only one problem. Okay, now we can observe, in observing the problem only we can say this formula also. Okay, next, sin of minus theta is equal minus sin theta. Only cos and sec, remaining all negatives. Sin of minus theta is equal minus sin theta. Cos of minus theta equal plus cos theta. Tan of minus theta equal minus tan theta. Cot of minus theta equal minus cot theta. Sec of minus theta equal to plus sec theta. Cosec of minus theta equal minus cosec theta. Okay, now only for this we get positive. That's why we can say that these two are called as even functions, and remaining are first one, third one, fourth to last called as odd functions. Okay, let us see the problems. Okay, let us take question 25th. Show that cos 340 into cos 40 plus sin 200 into sin 40 is equal 1 by 2. Okay, now do you know cos 340 value? No. Do you know cos 40 value? No. Okay, now how to do? I'll tell you. So one thing is, you don't bother about this chapter. By reading the formulas only you may feel it is a difficulty, but after doing the problems one by one, you may feel happy. How to do this problem? First take LHS. Cos 340 into cos 40 plus sin 200 into sin 40. So which is equal, we have to reduce this angle 340 and 200. So how can we reduce? We can write this as 360 minus 20. Am I right? 360 minus 20. So 340, I am writing 360 minus 20. Why I am writing only 360 minus 20? Yes, we should express the given angle 180 plus or 180 minus. Otherwise 360 plus or 360 minus. Here we wrote 360 minus 20. Okay. So cos 40, no problem. It is below 90 degrees. So sin 200 we can write 180 plus 20 and into sin 40 as it is. Now 360 minus 20 means 340 belongs to which quadrant? Yes, fourth quadrant. Very good. 0 or 360, 90, 180, 270, 360. So 340 belongs to here, fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cos is positive. Yes, so cos 20 and into cos 40 as it is. And here 180 plus means 200 belongs to which quadrant? 180 plus and 180 above, third quadrant. In third quadrant, what is sign? Yes, negative. So minus. So no change. Sine 20 into sine 40. Okay. I'm writing in order. Cos 40 into cos 20 minus sine 40 into sine 20. See, in which formula we can apply? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay now, which formula we can apply? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is called cos of A plus B formula. So, which is called cos of A means what? 40 degrees. B means 20 degrees. So, cos of A plus B formula we can apply. So, which is called cos of 40 plus 20, which is called cos 60. What is cos 60 value? 1 by 2. So, RHS got it? Yes, hence proved. So, this is the solution. Is it clear? By doing the problems, you will get easily, don't bother. 26. If alpha and beta are complementary angles such that B sin alpha is equal to A, then find value of sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. Okay. After 27, 28, very important 2 marks question. Those are very easy. Before that, first listen this one. So complementary angles alpha and beta are. Complementary angles means what? Yes, very good. Sum of two angles is 90 degrees. Then we can say that those two are complementary angles. So given that alpha and beta are complementary angles, that means alpha plus beta is equal 90 degrees. Alpha plus beta equal 90 degrees. So that means we can write alpha is equal 90 minus beta, or beta is equal 90 minus alpha. Beta equal 90 minus. Next to B sin alpha equal to A. Again given that B into sin alpha equal to A. That means sin alpha equal to B center right side, so A by B. Sin alpha equal A by B. These two informations are given and asked to find S. Therefore, sin alpha into cos beta minus cos alpha into sin beta. We should find this value. So, in which way we can apply? Which formula it is suitable? See, think about sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So, what is formula? Sin of A minus B means here alpha minus beta. So, we used sin of A minus B formula. So, now sin of alpha minus, what is beta? Beta means what? 90 minus alpha. Yes. So, 90 minus alpha. See, alpha means alpha, minus means minus, beta means 90 minus alpha. So, which is equal sin of alpha minus 90 minus into minus plus alpha. So, which is equal sin of minus 90 plus 2 alpha. So, take out minus common. So, sin of minus theta becomes what? Sin of minus theta becomes minus sin theta. So, sin of 90 minus 2 alpha becomes minus sin of 90 minus 2 alpha. So, minus sin of 90 minus means minus as it is. 90 minus ante first quadrant. First quadrant all are positive. Sin becomes 90 is there. Sin becomes cos. So, minus 2 cos t alpha is the answer. Okay. Next 27. This is very important question and very easy question. After listening this question, you will get some relief. Because of one more question also I will give you in this model. Okay. If tan theta is equal cos 11 plus sin 11 by cos 11 minus sin 11 and theta is not third quadrant, then find theta. Okay. This is very important questions. Many times it is repeated in the exam. So, give more priority to this question. Solution. First of all, given that tan theta is cos 11 plus sin 11 by cos 11 minus sin 11. I will give you one more question. The same type of question. Okay. Then tan theta means tan theta. Here take out cos 11 common. Then we can write 1 plus sin 11 by cos 11. Sin 11 by cos 11. And in the denominator also say same. Take cos 11 common. Then 1 minus it becomes sin 11 by cos 11. So cos cancel. So we get 1 plus, what is sin theta by cos theta? Since sin theta by cos theta is equal tan theta. So sin 11 by cos 11, yes, very good, tan 11 by 1 minus tan 11. And if you see this, what we can write? 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. Okay. What is tan of 45 plus theta? You don't have, if you forget that formula, then what we can apply? Tan of a plus b formula. Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b means theta. Tan 45 value 1, so 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan 45 value 1 into tan theta. So 1 minus plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta means tan of 45 plus theta. So we can write it is in the form of 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. So we can write tan of 45 plus theta. What is theta? 11. So which is equal tan 56. So tan theta equal, we got it as tan 56. So what about theta now? Yes, very good. Therefore, theta equal 56 degrees is the answer. Is it easy or not? Okay. Here we applied tan of 45 plus theta value. So tan of 45 plus theta formula is 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. Here theta means 11. So tan of 45 plus, instead of theta I wrote 11. So now 45 plus 11 becomes 56. So if you compare both terms, theta means 56 degrees. Is it easy? Okay, next 28. This is also very, very important. Means previous 27 and 28 are very most important questions. Okay, now very, very, very most important questions. So see, prove that cos 9 plus sin 9 by cos 9 minus sin 9 is equal to cot 36. Okay, take LHS. Same type of question. Actually, I thought to give homework, but you are in the starting stage. That's why I am teaching you. If you are interested, you just pause the video, find the solution, then you can check with me. Okay. What is the next step? Immediately we should take cos 9 as common. So take out cos 9 common, then remaining is 1 plus sin 9 by cos 9. And then the denominator also same, take out cos 9 common, then remaining 1 minus sin 9 by cos 9. So cos 9 cancel, we get 1 plus tan 9 by 1 minus tan 9. Now apply. This is the form of which formula we can apply. Okay, now 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta, tan of 45 plus theta. Just now I told you can be derived by tan of 45 plus theta. So tan of a plus b formula. So tan of 45 plus theta means 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. So based on this formula, tan plus tan 1 means tan of 45 plus theta. So tan of 45 plus theta means what? 9 degrees. You can write pi by 4 or 45 degrees. Both are same meaning. So which is equal tan 54. Got it answer? No. Cot 36 is there. Sir, we got tan 56. What? How did it is right? Yes, it is right. We just change. Tan of 54 we can write 90 minus 36. 54 can be written as 90 minus 36. Now apply. First quadrant positive. Okay. 90 is there, odd multiple. So tan becomes cot 36 angle. This is the answer. What is formula? Tan of 90 minus theta becomes cot theta. In part 2 I told you about these functions also. That's why trigonometry having with patients, start from part 1, then after part 2, part 3. If you study my videos on order, you will understand easily. Okay. Here also I used one formula, that is sin theta by cos theta is equal tan theta. Okay, now note down in the side. In the future, when the revision time, okay, now sin by cos means tan theta. How did we get means because of applying formula. In that way you can understand. Next 29th question. What is the value of tan 20 plus tan 40 plus root 3 into tan 20 into tan 40? Okay. We have two more questions like in this way. In just 4 questions we have only, means 32 very short questions are enough. In this 32 we can get two very short questions. Okay, now solution. We should find this value. Okay, we have to create a value, a term, a formula. See, formula is not formula, don't get fear. Tan 20 plus tan 40 we can observe. So 20 plus 40 means 60 degrees. So you just take, I'm just taking tan of, just taking 40 plus 20. Tan of 40 plus 20 is called what? Tan of 60. 40 plus 20 means tan 60. Otherwise tan 40 plus 20 is equal, is in the form of tan of a plus b. Tan of a plus b. So what is tan of a plus b formula? Yes, very good. Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. You listen this one. Based on this one, we have two more questions. So we can write to tan a means tan 40 plus tan b means tan 20 by 1 minus tan a tan b means 1 minus tan 40 into tan 20. So we can see. So now tan of 40 plus 20 means how much? 60. And which is called as it is, we can write tan 40 plus tan 20 by 1 minus tan 40 into tan 20. What is tan 60 value? Root 3. Very good. So root 3 is called tan 40 plus tan 20 by 1 minus tan 40 into tan 20. So nothing means by 1 is there. Now do cross multiplication. 1 into tan 40 plus tan 20 becomes tan 40 plus tan 20 is equal. Now in this way cross multiply. Root 3 into something. So root 3 into 1 minus of tan 40 into tan 20. So which is called root 3 into 1, root 3 minus root 3 into tan, root 3 tan 40 tan 20. So this is as it is, tan 40 plus tan 20. So we can write tan 20 plus tan 40, no problem. So bring after minus term to left side, becomes plus root 3 into tan 40 into tan 20 or tan 20 into tan 40 is equal, what is the remaining? Root 3. So root 3 is answer. Okay, same value we should find. Is it clear? Yes. Let us see next question. 30 question. Find the value of tan 56 minus tan 11 minus tan 56 into tan 11. Okay, na? Which terms you observe? Tan 56 minus tan 11 means tan of, you just take 56 minus 11. That means we can write tan theta tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b. So here 56 minus 11 becomes what? 45. So we get tan 45. Tan 45. Here no change. So tan 56 minus tan 11 by 1 plus tan 56 into tan 11. Next to tan 45 value how much? 1. Very good. So which is equal tan 56 minus tan 11 by 1 plus tan 56 into tan 11. Next what we do? 1 by nothing means 1 is there. Do cross multiplication. So 1 into tan 56 minus tan 11 is equal, same 1 into something. So it becomes 1 plus tan 56 into tan 11. So bring this to left side, you will get answer. So tan 56 minus tan 11. So plus something stand left side becomes minus tan 56 into tan 11 is equal to 1 is the answer. So what is the value of that term is? Answer is 1. Is it clear? Next to 31 question. Prove that tan 70 minus tan 20 equal to tan 50. So here also 70 and 20 is there. So that's why let take 70 minus 20. It can be used tan of a minus b formula. So tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b. Okay, now which formula you use? Tan of a minus b formula, that is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b formula I use. So now 70 minus 20 how much? Becomes 50. So which is called here also tan 70 minus tan 20 by 1 plus, see here, tan 70 into tan 20. Here 70 and 20 becomes 90. So that's why anyone we can write, we can change. So tan 70 I'm changing as 70, I am writing as 90 minus 20. Okay, I'm not applying tan of a minus b formula because of 90 means we know the value. So tan of 90 minus theta, tan of 90 minus theta becomes cot theta. So instead of tan 70, we can write cot 20 into tan 20 as it is. So cot into tan reciprocals becomes 1. So 1 plus 1 how much? 2. So by 2 into tan 70 minus tan 20, which is equal tan 50 is equal. So nothing means by 1. So 1 into tan 70. So tan 70 minus tan 20 and is equal 2 into tan 50 becomes 2 into tan 50 as it is. Got it? That's it. So last question from this very short questions. Take LHS, that is cos 35 plus cos 85 plus cos 155 is the LHS. Okay na? See, first two are below 90 degrees. This is only, it is above 90 degrees. So we can reduce the angle. So how can we reduce the angle? So here 155 we can write as 180 minus how much? 25. Very good. So 155 can be written as 180 minus 25. Cos means cos. And what are these two terms? So I am writing first to cos 85 plus cos 35. I wrote big one is first, smaller than is next. So now cos C plus cos D formula. It looks like cos C plus cos D. What is cos C plus cos D? Third formula. 2 cos we get. 2 cos. So C plus D by 2, C minus D by 2. In the starting I told the formulas in that. So we can write 2 into cos C plus D by 2 means 85 plus 35 by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 means 85 minus 35 by 2 and plus, see here, this is 180 minus. So belongs to which quadrant? 0, 90, 180, 270, again 360. 180 minus means second quadrant. Okay, this is first quadrant, second quadrant. In second, cos is negative, so we get minus 180 means no change, cos 25 as it is. Now 2 into cos of 85 plus 35 how much? 120. Very good. So 120 by 2 into cos 85 minus 35 how much? 50 by 2 as it is. So minus cos 25. Okay, we can cancel 2 1 ja 225 ja 2 1 ja 260 ja. So which is equal to 2 into cos 60 into cos 25 minus cos 25. So now 2 into, what is cos 60 value? We know the cos 60 value, that is 1 by 2 and cos 25 as it is and minus cos 25 as it is. So 2 to cancel. So we get to cos 25 minus cos 25. So same term minus same term becomes what? 0. Got it RHS? So we got it RHS. Hence proved. So this is the solution. These are the very short questions. I think 32 questions I explained totally in 5 parts. But moreover in these 5 parts, I explained, I gave the basics and the introduction according with formulas, and I told you how to remember the formulas also. Just to take a lot of time to revise these 5 parts, because of these 5 parts are very compulsory to you. If you learn these 5 parts in MCET exams also, you will get easily solve the problems, and in remaining 4 marks and remaining 7 marks also you can do easily. So prepare very well these 5 parts. All the best to you. Thank you for watching my videos. In the next video I will tell you 4 marks questions and then after 7 marks questions. For all formulas are completed. Okay na? No one formula is left. All formulas are, I told all formulas. So all formulas are given. So read again and again, by heart the formulas again and again according to the way of technique. In your own way also you can learn. So thank you for watching again my videos, and please subscribe, click bell button, like my videos. Thank you very much.